Alright, so I'm gonna make this short video on my very simple high probability trade strategy. Looking at EU. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible to keep this video short. So let's just do it as if we were back testing a week. Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Thursday, Friday. Alright, that's the week. Okay, now without even taking in consideration H4, daily, any of that stuff. Just looking purely at this. If we were here and we were coming into here. So my strategy is basically I wait for an impulse or a break, an aggressive move to break a high or a low on the M30 or H1 because I'm intradaying, so I'm not really swinging. So if the swing works out, great, whatever. But I'm more so looking to get anywhere between a 1-to-1 to like a 1-to-6, I guess, risk to reward ratio. And I'm able to get them more. I just started trading EU, so I don't really know how much I get it here from on GJ. I was getting some pretty good stuff. Like some weeks, like 1-to-5 and a 4, 1-to-6. But anyways, moving on. So basically, a break. If we break, let's just say we break this low, or this low over, or this area of support. So a break past support resistance or a low or a high, some kind of market structure. And when I say market structure, don't get it twisted into what everybody else says, how this is that. Lows, highs, support resistance. Simple. Keep it simple. So I woke up this morning. I hit the charts at 6 o'clock. Okay, this is 6 o'clock candle. I look left. Always look left. We know that. We broke this level of support. We also broke this level of support. These are minor levels, but still levels nonetheless on the H1. So you can see them. All right, so if I go to, I need price to leave either supply or demand on M15 or above. I prefer M15 or M30, whichever one gives me the best looking, I guess, candle. So there's nothing on M30. All right, so let's see. Perfect. This was that support we broke. So broke, price left, supply here. I'm pretty sure clearly that you can see this trade. Price came right here at 745. I'd be on the fucking, let's see, M1. See if I can get back that far. Then I go to the M1. I highlight that supply demand area. And then okay. All right. Here we go. All right. So when I wait for like the first either rejection candle or the first, I guess since I'm looking for sales, the first bearish candle. So took this shit, put my stops just above, like 2 pips above. I might start doing just 1 pip, but a pip above the supply demand area. Because if price jumps up above this, it's gone. Price doesn't just break supply demand. All right, and then I would have had, let's see, I can tell you what my targets would have been. So you see this shit. That would have been a target. But for starters, I always take partials at a 1-to-1. Now, you don't have to do this. This is just something I do. It protects my capital like immediately. So we were risking 9 pips. So that means let's see, at 9 pips. So with this particular instance, I saw that there's like, this is like compressing up. So this is clear. Price will probably just drop straight through. And it did. So I probably would have took partials here, which would have been 17 pips. I take 75%, and then I leave a runner going. And then my last target would have been here. So as we can see, there's like a 1 to 4.7 or whatever. All right, so get to the next day. Just to show you how basic and simple this shit is. This shit gets complicated when I don't see this, when I can't see a trade within like 15, 20 minutes. That's when it gets complicated. All right, so next day. Yeah, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. Okay, this is pretty easy. All right, so now this is just looking at the H1. I'm not even factoring market structure and all that stuff. Price broke here, came back up, and dropped. So it left this area of supply. So I'd go to 130, just to see if I can get something a little better, a little cleaner. Okay. So as we can see, price came up here at 6:30. 7 o'clock, we left that area. And then price even gave you another chance when it came back right there. So take the entry. Price popped up. I'm sure there's an entry on like M1 or something, or M3 or whatever. Stops above the supply area. At 1 to 1. See, so this shot straight down. So at 1 to 1, I mean, I would have probably took my break even here at this M30 support. So we've got like at 15 pips. I don't want to break even. And then I would have let it run. See what I could have got. That's Tuesday. This is last week. All right, so Wednesday. See what we got. So price broke here. Broke this low. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. This is a 6 o'clock candle. So price broke this low and left this area of supply. God, I don't know. I can't think of supply. Okay, price comes into here. 6 o'clock. I know I'm looking for sales. This shit's clearly bearish. This first candle, I mean, you could have took it on whatever time frame. Take it. It stops above. Since we kind of shot above, but we couldn't close above here, I put my stop just above that wick. So 12 pips. I don't know, depending on, let's see, let's not say depending, and let's actually look at it. Okay, so here, I would have took partials probably right here, or right here, probably right here. Or either I would have just did it at 12 pips. Honestly, it depends on how I'm feeling for that day. A lot of times what happens is, after I enter, this shit goes right into profit most of the time, and it shoots down. So normally, when I catch my phone, I'm like here, trying to take partials and go risk free. So price went here, we're risk free, and I let it run. The price came here, 1 to 3. Okay. All right, next day, Thursday. As you can see, the same thing. Break of either a low or a level of resistance. Like it needs to be an actual break, not like this bullshit. This is trash. Well, not this. We were in this trade, but like this. That's not a break. Normally breaks happen in sessions, like London session, New York session, whatever. But this is just consolidation. Now, so we got, this is 6 o'clock. All right, 6 o'clock. So go to our M30, well, our M1, we had a break of this. broke it. This is just this shit consolidating down. This was not a break. I don't consider it a break. So I woke up. I saw this 6 o'clock. I saw we broke this low or level or whatever. So I'm sure it left an area of supply. 6 o'clock. So I don't really like this setup. It's not very clear and it's kind of ugly. I don't really know if I would have took that setup after. So I have a better looking supply area right here. So, I mean, you could have took, let's see, 7 o'clock. Price spiked in here. I love these when price spikes inside the supply demand. Put over the supply. And I definitely would have went, since this was super ugly, I definitely would have went risk-free right here and just let it went down. So it stopped right there. I probably came back and hit my break even, but we made money. Okay. Next day, Friday. Now, we can see we're still like fucking around with that level. Okay. So we can see this is 7. All right. So we broke out of this range. As if I woke up, I can see prices not coming all the way fucking back up there. So let's see if we can see anything, something on the on the M30. So I see this level of supply right here. Clear as day. Took a trade on spike into that zone on like probably M1, as I normally do. Rode it to take partials here and then let it roll down. It's Friday, so I probably would have. And it's like 12 o'clock. I definitely would have closed out by 12 o'clock. So that's basically it. So, and today, I took, let's see, yesterday also had a fucking nice entry out there. Let's see. 6 o'clock, I wasn't looking at this because I just started looking at this shit. Oh. Easy money. Really late entry, but easy money. Enter on lower time frames. Easy money. And then today, price broke. If we look left, I see we were at 6 o'clock. This is at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock candle. If I look left, I can see that we broke that 6 o'clock. Yeah, we broke that level of resistance. So I know that there's a potential, and prices in high momentum. There's a potential that it can get retested. All right, so let's see what we got. I took, where did I take this trade from? Took this trade from here, and I was on M1. Price luckily came back in fucking double bottom or triple bottom or whatever. So it came back and touched this. I actually missed this. It happened so fast at 841, but then the price came back, and I was like, I'm not missing this shit again. So I took this like right there, and I had stops below, and I wrote it up. And so that's just EU. I mean, I guess I'll look at this when GBPs are being trashed like today and last week. But there you go. Hope this helps. If any questions, let me know.